it started smoking.
Got the package. Oh my god.
So, almost 2 months ago I took my car to Mr. KB's place where they changed my belts, welded the exhaust manifold and fixed the throttle so it doesn't rev while in idle. And after that everything was fine and I enjoyed driving my car for around 2 weeks until this happened. As you could hear, something didn't sound right, and my initial guess was that it has something to do with the belts or the pulleys, because the sound came directly from where those parts are located. And after that sound appeared, I drove like 20 plus kilometers making this face expression. But as I probably should have done earlier, on September 28th I drove to KB's car repair shop, but one thing happened. I didn't really make it to there. Fuck, man, I was so close to getting to my homie's fucking workplace. So basically I drove all the way from Jurmala up until this red light in Riga where my car just completely shut down. And I had to push it to the nearest parking spot, but thankfully some bystanders helped me to get it off the main road, else it would have been a lot of work to push it alone. By the way, this was the distance, how far away I was to making it to KB's place. Yeah, very unlucky. But way luckier than stalling on the main bridge during a massive traffic jam that was going on like 15 minutes before my car died. So then I just called KB and we tried to hook up his battery with mine to see if we can get the car running again. But once it was charged up and I was turning the car on, there was a really bad noise and a lot of smoke coming out the hood. So then I stopped trying to get it running and went to extinguish the little fire sparks that the belt created from being stuck. After that we just strapped up my car to his and towed it to his workplace. Okay guys, we are back. It's actually the same spot where we left last time.
Oh yeah, right.
I can finally rest.
Yeah.
Knowing that it's gone.
Not for long. I'll be back soon. He was literally standing there happy.
Happy again to see this.
And it's been what, 3 weeks now? Something like that, and
yeah,
I'm back?
about
yeah.
time, yeah.
And something is wrong with the belts or...
With the whole system.
Yeah, with the whole system.
So basically what I saw was that something was stuck, you know.
Yeah.
And
it started smoking like crazy and I got very scared.
So one of the pulleys, we are not sure which yet, was stuck.
Yeah.
And the belt was spinning, yeah?
Yeah, and it started smoking.
It started smoking.
And there was even a little fire thing.
It was like the same smoke when I first heat wrapped your exhaust.
Yeah. And now I knew how you felt.
Yeah, now you know.
I thought it's fucking GG's. So yeah, we're gonna leave it here.
You actually had some flames.
Yeah, I actually had
some
flames.
Chemicals, you know, fuming off.
Yeah, we had to put my water over the little fire spot.
Sponsor us. Sponsor. Best drinking water you can get in the market.
So yeah, just gonna leave this car here and go with my friend home. Oh yeah, this is KB's car.
So this is my car.
Look at that. He started stripping it already.
Yeah, I started stripping it. Here's the hole.
Yeah. There's bunch of them.
Big ass hole, I can finger it. It's a good car.
Yep. So that's it.
Yeah, that's it.
We'll see you in the next episode. Thanks for pulling me in, brother.
You know,
yeah, you can do that as well, bro. Yeah.
Also.
Yeah. So then after further inspection we found out that the problem was power steering pump and there was no way to get it in Latvia. So my only hope was ordering it off eBay or posting on a Facebook JDM marketplace that I'm looking for one. And luckily one guy from Poland, who has a beautiful Honda himself, hooked me up with a used power steering pump for $115. And the best part was that I bought it for USDT, aka cryptocurrency. Life is amazing. Alright, what's up boys? It's been like 3 weeks since my Teggy broke down, and as you can see I have a little box here where the motherfucking power steer pump is, and I'll be meeting Mr. KB right now. Okay, that was a little fucking drug deal intro. The boy is here. KB, man.
You got the package?
With the package. Do we open it and check it out if there's the pump actually inside there or what?
Maybe at my house.
Yes, I don't want to open it here because, you know.
Yeah,
public.
yeah. Do we go now or do we go after?
You can go now.
Yeah, let's go now. Okay, guys, we're in KB's hotboxing place here.
It's a mailbox room.
Yeah.
As you can see, we have a whole room dedicated to
mailbox.
Two whole rooms.
Yeah.
Even a corridor.
Yeah, very cool. So yeah, let's check if the power steer pump is actually in the box or not.
Okay. And what do we get?
Oh, you get a dirty shirt.
Oh, nice. I'll wear this.
There
And
it
it's
is.
it's clean.
Oh, it's actually clean, yeah.
Kind of clean.
Kinda.
Show me.
It's not bad. You can't even see rust. Wait, we
my
need to
God.
go in the light. So yeah, it looks good.
Yeah, it looks.
It looks way better than pictures, actually.
Yeah, actually. Plus rep so far to the Polish guy.
Yeah, nice Polish guy. He's a good guy. So yeah, see you in Riga. And there she is. Boom! Teggy's back on the street. Your boy KB
What's up?
has done the work and
Easy peasy. It was easy.
it was like a auto mechanic simulator 2022. You just click on the part and it's applied and you move on.
It's so hot in here.
Really? Ooh, look at the fresh
Freshness.
power steer pump.
Look at it.
Boom.
It's a bit I needed to clean with cleaner, but it's okay.
Yeah. Nice, very nice.
Fluid is good.
Yeah.
Belt is on.
Belt, yeah, we had to get a new belt as well since that one ripped apart, I think, right? Yeah.
Yeah, it was damaged.
Yeah.
So
So that's it, guys. This time it wasn't quite an easy fix apparently. So now we're gonna go to wash the car, and we're gonna take finally some actual driving footage because I haven't really showed you how this car actually drives. I'm just showing you the engine, the outside, and it's sitting on the street. Steam, baby. My friend, I just noticed you forgot to close the window.
Oh no! Oh no! Well, it's your fault that you didn't see that I had. At least you have interior detail. Next clip. KB is in the river. Давай, давай. Let's go. Let's go. Oh yes. Now seatbelt.
That was fun. But yeah, so hopefully you like the video, and yeah, this is actually the last Integra video this time because my inspection ends at 26th of October, and today is 20th of October, so probably yeah, leave the car at my mom's place and then we'll see it next year. But without further ado, it is time.
The road is free, so
It's time.
yeah, show them. Oh, and we'll just film the red lines. 1 second. There's no focus. Yeah, okay, go. Oh, Jesus. Oh my God. Oh, fucking A. Oh my God. It fucking pulls. It's alive.
It's
alive.
Let's go!
Yeah, baby. This motherfucking car works.
I told you, you just gotta put the foot down and it goes, baby.
Damn, it's so fucking amazing. The feeling, oh
It's
my
amazing,
God.
It's amazing.
Oh my God. Better than, you know what I'm trying to say, you know. This feeling, yo, when the car pulls you in the seat, man.
Yeah, it's great. So, yeah, thank you so much for watching, boys. I hope you enjoyed the video, and I will see you next time.
Smash
Adios.
like.